Okay, Mr. Inconsistent Camera Angles is back. Today, I'm wearing the 7 Sins and we got another unboxing. Let's see what we got. Okay. Talk amongst yourselves. I haven't bought a watch for a while. I just had that feeling. Lovely. Spinnaker. My first Spinnaker. My dodgy camera. Please stay. Please stay. Okay. Nice. Make it rain. Interesting. All the socials. Spinnaker. Kaka. Hello. This is from a shop called Watch Shop. I know, original, right? It was on offer. I think the sale price was about $160, and I think they retail for $210, $220. Some shit like that. But I don't have a Spinnaker, so I thought, fuck it, let's go. Lovely. Okay. Let's do the money shot. Yeah. Take it off. Oh, that is one good looking bitch. Umac movement. Sapphire crystal. It's got like a edge there. Lovely. Is it screw down as well? Oh, fuck me, it is. Screw down. This is the NH35 or 36. Handwind. That's your date. Pull it out. Hacking. Stops moving. Changes to whatever time it is. La da da. What's this one? Ah. The inner chapter ring wheel. This is a lovely piece. I think they call this like a waterproof leather strap or something like that. Yeah, mate. Pretty pleased with that. Spinnaker. I think it's called Bradley. Passenger. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Unboxing complete.